In this tutorial, we will explore the BuddyPress Quotes plugin, which let user post activity updates with custom background like colors and images, adding a creative touch to their stories. This plugin allows site admins to upload custom images and set background colors for users to choose from. As user post updates, they can make their posts stand out by selecting a beautiful background. Let's take a quick look at how it works. In WordPress dashboard, go to WP plugins and click on quotes. Then go to general setting. Here admin can upload custom images. And select text color. Admin can also set solid colors for the background in the plugin backend setting. There is also an invert color option, so text color will automatically adjust contrast with the background. Like this, and you can now add. Once images and colors are uploaded, user can select from these options while posting their updates. Save the changes. The quote icon will appear in the What's New section of the activity stream here. Now select background. Enter code. You can also select profile or group according to your preference, and now post update. This is how it will look in the activity stream. With BuddyPress Quotes, you can increase community engagement by letting members post visually appealing content. And that's it. If you want to make your BuddyPress site more interactive, give BuddyPress Quotes a try. Thanks for watching.